Bold, colorful tumblers are made to keep you hydrated in a fully functional style. Ideal for car commutes or workouts at home, it has a built-in flip straw for easy and effortless sipping. Snap it shut and the double-wall vacuum insulation will keep your drink fully leak-proof and extra cold for hours. It fits comfortably in your vehicle's cup holder, treadmills and spin cycles, too. And the folding handle lets you quickly grab and go. Features and details. Stay hydrated for the whole day. This large tumbler with lid and straw can hold 30 ounces of thirst-quenching beverage to power you through your longest days. Perfect for drinking water, smoothies, or iced coffee. Just fill it up and get on with your day. Keeps cold for a long time. Constructed with double-wall vacuum insulation and 18/8 stainless steel, your drinks will stay nice and chilled for 12 hours or iced for up to 2 days. Plus it can take a beating and is 100% free of BPA material. Straw perfected. Say goodbye to disposable straws that are flimsy and wasteful, or reusable straws that make a mess when tipped over. Our exclusive IceFlow flip straw allows effortless sipping and is leak-proof when closed. Just snap it shut and you are done. At least 10% of our lid's material is made of recycled fish nets to keep our planet healthy. Made to fit your life. The ergonomic, rotating handle lets you quickly grab this cute tumbler with straw and go. Fits comfortably in most cup holders in your car or on most exercise machines. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. It's the indispensable companion to bring with you anywhere. Lifetime warranty. Built for life. Since 1913 we've promised to provide rugged, capable gear for food and drink, built to last a lifetime. It's a promise we still keep. Stanley products purchased from Stanley resellers come with a lifetime warranty. To buy, go to the Amazon link in the description under the video.